Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pesto with walnuts. First, gather your fresh ingredients. 2 cups of basil, 1/2 cup of walnuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil. Toasting the walnuts for about 5 minutes over medium heat really brings out their nutty flavor. This simple step makes a big difference in your final pesto. Now let's get blending. Add the fresh basil, toasted walnuts, garlic cloves, and grated Parmesan cheese into your food processor. Pulse these ingredients a few times until they form a coarse, crumbly mixture. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil. Continue processing until your pesto reaches a smooth, desired consistency. You're almost there. Once your pesto has a beautiful, smooth texture, it's time to season it. Add a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper, then taste and adjust as needed. If you prefer a thinner pesto, simply add a little more olive oil and blend again. For storage, transfer your fresh pesto to an airtight container. It will stay delicious in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Your homemade walnut pesto is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Try it tossed with your favorite pasta, spread on a sandwich, or as a flavorful dip for vegetables. If you've made a larger batch, you can easily freeze portions in ice cube trays for quick meals later. Also, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious pesto.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.